In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a Zoom meeting from Canvas and save the recording in Canvas. To get started, I think you might want to put Zoom in one of the menu items so that it is easier for you to find it. So you need to go to Settings, and then from Navigation tab, you look for Zoom and just drag it to this area to make sure that it's showing up. While you're here, you might also want to hide some of the things that you don't use for the time being. When you need to use it, you can always put them back, and then you save it. So now you see that Zoom is in one of the menu items now, so you can start a meeting from here. Let me show you how to do that. You click on Zoom. You click on Schedule a New Meeting, and then you give the meeting a name. Let's say it's a Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes. And you make it like 3 p.m. or whatever the time is for you. And then make it a recurring meeting. And then you choose not daily, but weekly. And you select Monday and check Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's say these are the 3 times that you meet with your students at 3 o'clock. And you can then check the passcode. And I would just turn the video on for both the host and the participants. Towards the end of the page, you will see an option for you to record the meeting automatically on a local computer. So check that if you want to have the session recorded for each class, and then you save this. So once you save this, you go back to the beginning, and you will see there is a join URL. Okay, copy this. Matter of fact, once I click on it, it's taking me directly to the meeting. So if I just try that again from the beginning, where there's no link, and I copy this again, I can put this link in modules so that it's easier for a student to see the class. Students can click on this link and join directly, but you will have to start the meeting. To start the meeting, you go to Zoom, and then you click on Start. So once you start it, the meeting will be recorded. If you just join the meeting like any other participants, the recording will not work. So I'm going to click on Join with Computer Audio, and now you will see the meeting is being recorded. If you want to pause it a little bit, you can do that, and then press its play to resume the recording. So once the meeting is completed, click on End, and End for everybody before the recording start to convert. So now the recording is being converted. Once it finished conversion, it will be located under Documents, and there is a folder called Zoom, within which there are all the folders of recordings. Okay, if you have a chat, it will also have a transcript file here as well. So now it is called Zoom 0_0 MP4. So let's now put that into Canvas. So go back to Canvas, go to your modules, and I would just recommend you create a page for session recordings first before we do anything. Okay, click on a page and create a new page. It's called Session Recordings. Okay, add item, and now let's just add the recording to Studio. You will see an Add or Record button show up at the top. Right now it's not showing for me, so I need to move a little bit towards the right. Sometimes it's hidden from the screen. So click on Add right now and browse for the file. I remember it's under Documents, under Zoom folder, and then if you're not sure which one it is, you can just always check date modified. So this seems to be the recent one. So I am going to double click on it and file recording. In the meantime, once you have finished uploading, it may be a good idea for you to clean up some of these files and just get rid of everything, so that every time you have a new recording, you don't have to hunt for which one it is. So now this one is a Zoom_0, and I click on open. Okay, now the meeting recording is being uploaded. It is called Zoom_0, which isn't a good name, so you probably can just rename it. Just click on this recording and go to details, and you add the details here. Recording for August 24. Okay, and then I'm going to save the new name. The thumbnail, when you go to the homepage of Studio, you will see that thumbnail is very random. It may not be the way you like it, so if you just want to choose something else, you can just replace the thumbnail with something else you have on your computer, if you have a better image that you want to use. But right now we'll leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on View. And what we will need to do is to generate a public link, okay, for this video. So I'm going to click on this little icon here, and I will create a public link. And now a public link has been created. You highlight everything and you copy this. So now let's go back to the course. You remember I created session recording page, so this is what this is used for. So I have a session recordings, so make sure this is published so that people can see it. I have this link here, and I'm going to click on edit, and I will say August 24 session recording here, and I will highlight it, and I will hyperlink to that link that I was showing you. I'm now using what is called enhanced rich content editor. Yours, if you haven't changed, it may look a little bit different, but you will be able to see there's a link icon here, and you just click on the link, and in my case I will just choose external link, and I will just paste the link here, and I click on done. And now I'm click on save, and I will have a hyperlink linking to the session recording for that day. As time goes by, you have more recordings, you just click on edit, and you just add a new, let's say August 30 session recording. You can keep adding new recordings here, so that people can click on it and just go to that recording. So let's see whether that is indeed the case. Okay, let's click here, and it is taking me to the recording of the session, and I can play it from here.